What's going on, guys? How are we all doing? It's a lovely summer's day. Well, summer's approaching. Check out this location behind me. It's the first time I've seen it myself. It's incredible. It's got that old school American vibes about it. With a porch. I'm actually in love with the place. Wow. So I'll just take you on a look up here. If I do go around the location. Just look at this. And I go to a lot of houses, but this one's a crying shame. Just look at the stained glass windows in there. You can quite make it out with the reflection. Wow. Just the views you've got as well. So there's a big long driveway getting to you. I'm in love with the place. Pick my tripod up. Why this has just gone left is beyond me. Wow. Garage. Shipping container here at one point. Said if it's sealed up, it's going to stay sealed up. I ain't going to be breaking it anyway. I don't believe in that. Wow, that's what I'm going to say. As you can see, this is part of the driveway. We're no less than maybe 30 seconds a minute from the house. We have a lovely outbuilding, stable area, etc. Again, they got that old school vibe about it. Incredible. I've been saying this a lot recently, but I want this house. Absolutely incredible. There's a lot of these bigger homes, stately homes, still delete some of the old furniture rather than throwing away. Used to go into the barn areas. That's what you can see in here. Look at the age on that. Wow. The old little trough as well. This is really cool, I gotta admit. I think the animals would have been tied up there at some point. Really, really cool. Just spotted a stairs over here. Just gonna take a little look. Ah, well, lack of stairs. Some loft space. It's pretty damn cool. Crying shame why this place has just been left. Real shame. Small fireplaces. They're cool. It's a lot of reclamation stuff, really. You know, a lot of this could be repurposed. So that's a crying shame. Hope you've enjoyed that one, guys. I know it's just a short video walking the outside, but it's worth a little look for you. Take care, peace and love. See you in the next one.